Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This amazing hair, you guys, look at that. That looks like my own hair, girl. This hair is from Alipearl Hair, so if you want a tutorial, just keep on watching.
Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. You know where you want.
Alright guys, I know there's a color difference on my forehead, but that's just a tan from me wearing lace fronts. And I just showed you guys the bag. This hair is from Alipearl, so thank you Alipearl for sponsoring this video. And I'm opening it up for you. So I actually opened it before and the front actually came together. I had to cut the front of the hair, and I'll insert a video right here so you can see what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's how it came. And now I'm just showing you guys how many pins there are. So these pins right here, well, more like clips, those are what are going to attach to the braids that I have. So you can't see the braids, but I do have my hair in cornrows behind there. So now I'm just going to open up the clips, and I'm going to put it exactly where the braids are. So the corners don't have to be neat, you guys, honestly, at all. So I just try to clip them as close as I can to the actual leave out. And when I finally put it, I kind of pull it to make sure that it's nice and secure, which it is. And look at that, like it's already kind of blending with my hair. I know the top looks crazy, but if my hair was longer, it would blend in perfectly. So now I'm just feeling the hair, and I'm trying to figure out, how I'm gonna straighten it to blend it out. And now I take my hair serum and I'm going to put it all over my leave out just to protect it from the heat. And I don't put too much, just that much of a pump, like one pump or two, because it goes a long way. And I'm going to massage it into my hair and a little bit on the actual wig itself. And now I'm just preparing my hair for the straightener, so I'm just going to comb it out and then I will straighten it. And I don't want to add too much heat, so I didn't pass the straightener too many times, but I combed it out and honestly I'm liking it. And remember, like, it's a kinky type of straight, so it doesn't have to be like extremely straight bone straight. It just has to match the kinkiness, which honestly it does, and I'm so happy about that. And now I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. And how beautiful is this, you guys? I love it so much. It looks like my hair, but one thing I'm gonna do is I'm going to straighten the actual wig just a little bit, just so that it could be a little bit like less poofy, because right now it's like super big. There's a lot of volume, so I'm just going to straighten it down just to see if I can put the volume down a little bit. And you can see the difference between this side and that side. So I'm just gonna do it all over. And yes, I know the top of my hair at the back I should have combed it down, but I couldn't see it. So definitely make sure that when you're blending your hair that you comb that part down.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, 'cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop.
Alright, and you guys, this is basically the final result of the hair. You guys can leave it as is, or you guys can do other things to it. You can do a side part, sorry. You can do a whole bunch of stuff with this hair. Honestly, as much as I love lace fronts, I also love the fact that this is so versatile, because you can do whatever you want with the top of your hair and you can just blend it out to this hair. So this is another style that I'm showing you guys with the leave out in the, you know, behind my ears. This is another style that you can do that looks really, really nice. And yeah, you guys, I'm loving it. Oh, and this is an attempt at me doing baby hair, but no, it wasn't working out. So I just left it as is.
You're leaving town, everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah.
Yeah, so you guys, a lot of this video is going to be me just touching the hair just because of how happy I am with the results. Look how much it blends. Oh, and right now I'm doing a shedding test and it does not shed at all. You guys, have had this for a week and it does not shed. And now I'm taking my straightener and I'm trying to straighten the front a little bit more. I'm trying to, you know, do like that little bump at the end of the hair just to see if it blends in more. Kind of like bangs. But yeah, oh, and I forgot to show you guys everything that Alipearl brought to me with this amazing wig. So I got a headband, an edge brush, a wig cap, I got a melting band, even though I don't need to melt anything. I even got eyelashes. But yeah, again, thank you so much to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. This hair is amazing. If you guys have any questions, just let me know in the description box. But before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below.
Right when I dance alone, I don't feel right when you don't come home. I miss your body and I love you so.